Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And today I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why I consider Royal Enfield Himalayan is the best adventure tourer in India right now. And I thought, why not go out for a little ride while talking to you guys? And now at least we can ride and go out in Delhi without any kind of restriction, but by following the social distancing. So I've been riding this bike for quite some time now and feels good whenever I go out on a ride. It's very comfortable for a city ride and feels powerful and easy to handle as well. There are some new practical features that are added to this BS6 model, which makes it even more refined, powerful and reliable machine. So let's find out what are those things that makes Royal Enfield Himalayan a perfect adventure tourer in India. So let's check it out. So the first thing I like about Himalayan is the seating ergos. With a seat height of 800 mm, it's very easy to ride and it's pretty good for average Indian as well. The handlebar is at the perfect distance and the saddle is very soft, which makes it even more comfortable to ride on your long journeys. So your long distance ride will be more comfortable on a Royal Enfield Himalayan. Second thing that I like about Himalayan is its 21 inches front tires with a long travel front suspension and the large ground clearance, which helps you to navigate all the bad roads and harsh terrain and makes your ride less tiring and comfortable. In the BS6 model, the vibration is reduced to minimum. You might not even feel it. And even the rear suspension is great, and that makes it even more cool to ride. And now let's talk about the hazard light, which is the latest addition to the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Hazard lights are very useful when driving during the night or on the highways. In the earlier models, this feature was not available. We had to pay extra to install these hazard lights, but now it comes with the bike at no extra cost, which is pretty good. And the fourth feature is the best feature for those who love to ride on a rough terrain. The addition of switchable ABS makes this bike an amazing adventure touring machine while riding this bike in a terrain like Ladakh and Spiti. And now you can switch off the rear wheel ABS while off-roading to have some fun. And this feature makes it a perfect off-roading machine. And I have tried this and it's very nice to have this feature right now with me. We can sit. Now this brings us to the fifth reason, which is incredible capacity to carry weight. It weighs more than 200 kg with a 100% fuel tank, and it has a 15-liter fuel tank, which will make sure you don't have to wait for every 100 km to refuel it. And when we go out for a long tour, we have to carry a lot of luggage with us. So due to its incredible power, you can carry a pillion and a packed saddle bag, a tank bag, extra fuel jerry can with a side empocher, and you can pre-install a quite reasonable luggage carrier at the back as well. So these are the feature what makes it Royal Enfield Himalayan a perfect touring machine and an adventure tourer in India right now. If you agree with me, then let me know by hitting like, and if you have a different opinion, please let me know in the comments. If you are new to my channel and like the content, please do subscribe it, and thanks for watching and take care.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.